Hazelnuts are a popular and versatile nut, perfect for pairing with chocolate pie, tomato-based pasta, truffle soup, pesto, strawberry tart, and even butternut quiche. Hazelnut milk is also a popular dairy alternative. Enjoy them roasted or on their own if you prefer not to cook with them. Beyond their great taste, hazelnuts are also packed with nutrition. Here are the health benefits they offer. 1. Manage blood sugar levels. If you're diabetic, at risk, or managing blood sugar levels, hazelnuts could help. While studies on hazelnuts are limited, evidence suggests they may reduce blood sugar, similar to almonds and walnuts. In one study, participants consuming a mix of nuts, including hazelnuts, showed significant reductions in fasting insulin after 12 weeks. This benefit might come from oleic acid, the main fatty acid in hazelnuts, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar. Including hazelnuts in your diet could help manage blood sugar and boost insulin sensitivity. 2. Inflammatory disorders. Inflammation is a normal and necessary response to injury, but when the immune system attacks the body's cells, it causes chronic inflammation, leading to pain, redness, swelling, and tissue damage. Regularly eating hazelnuts can help. One study found that a diet with hazelnuts accounting for 18 to 20% of total calorie intake lowered inflammation after 4 weeks. Additionally, 60 grams daily for 12 weeks reduced inflammatory markers in overweight people, while 40 grams may do the same in healthy individuals. However, a calorie-controlled diet is essential for reducing inflammation effectively. 3. Heart health. Consuming hazelnuts regularly may keep heart diseases at bay. They contain a high concentration of antioxidants and healthy fats that lower cholesterol levels in the blood. In fact, a month-long study, which observed 21 people, found that people with high cholesterol levels, who consumed a diet that consisted of hazelnuts accounting for 18 to 20% of their total daily calorie intake, found a reduction in triglycerides and bad LDL cholesterol levels. They also noticed improvements in artery health and inflammation markers in the blood. A review of 9 studies with over 400 people found that hazelnuts reduced bad LDL and total cholesterol, while good HDL and triglycerides remained unchanged. Rich in fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and magnesium, hazelnuts help lower blood pressure, reduce blood fats, boost vitamin E, and improve heart health. 4. Thyroid health. If you've been diagnosed with thyroid disorders, stock up on hazelnuts. A cup of its serving offers 6.175 milligrams of manganese, which makes up for over 87% of your recommended daily intake. This nutrient helps enzymes function and work properly in your body and plays a role in the production of thyroxine. This is a vital hormone that is required for the normal functioning of the thyroid gland, which helps you maintain a proper appetite, metabolism, weight, and organ efficiency. Including hazelnuts in your diet might, hence, help manage your thyroid hormones. 5. Cancer. Regularly consuming hazelnuts may help prevent cancer due to their high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Hazelnuts have the highest concentration of proanthocyanidins, antioxidants that may protect against oxidative stress and certain cancers. They are also rich in vitamin E, which protects cells, and manganese, which supports enzymes that reduce oxidative damage. These factors likely explain why studies have found hazelnut extract beneficial in treating cervical, liver, breast, and colon cancer. One animal study showed that hazelnut skin extract reduced colon cancer risk after 8 weeks. However, most research has been in test tubes in animals, so more human studies are needed to confirm these benefits.